Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you the new assistive menu Zoom on One UI 8 running on your Samsung Galaxy device. So no more struggling with pinch to zoom gestures. The assistant menu now lets you zoom in and out on photos or on your screen easily. So this is a huge upgrade for accessibility and convenience. So let me show you how you can enable this. So first, go ahead and bring down the quick panel menu, tap on settings, scroll down and find accessibility. Now from here, you want to find interaction and dexterity. Here, turn on assistive menu. Now, once you do this, you'll get this icon here on screen. Tap on this. And now you want to go ahead and find the zoom. So this is your pinch zoom. Okay. So before, when you go ahead and open a web browser or maybe a photo, to zoom in, you need to go ahead and pinch. However, now they have introduced a new accessibility feature where you can zoom in using your finger or you can zoom in using the buttons. So I can go ahead and hold and drag in to zoom in, drag out to zoom out. I can go ahead and use these plus buttons here to zoom in and zoom out. So this makes one-handed use simpler. So it's perfect for large screens where pinch gestures are awkward. So it helps people with motor challenges to enjoy photos more easily. It adds a layer of comfort when you're showing pictures to your friends. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on the assistive menu zoom on your device. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on the assistive menu zoom on your Samsung Galaxy device running One UI 8.